Yeah, we're here at the Beech Fork, West Virginia tractor show here at the Beech Fork campgrounds. Just wanted to show you some of my tractors that I have here on display. The first one is a 1962 Cub Cadet. I've went all over the country to buy these things, but I think this one come out of Tennessee, and they all run. They're all fully functional. This one is a 1961 Jacobson. It's the oldest tractor I have. It come out of I think Akron, Ohio. I restored these two. I have restored this John Deere. I bought it in Fort Wayne, Indiana. It's never been restored. That's the original condition. That's probably the best one in the collection because that's the original paint. Decals never been touched, and it's probably the best one in the bunch. It's a 1965. If I forgot to mention, first one 1962 Jacobson, 1961. Here we have a 1966 wheel horse. It come out of Sandusky, Ohio. It's 66 model. That's my granddaughter's pick out of all these. That's her favorite. This is a 1968 Alice Chalmers B112. I bought this one in Cincinnati, Ohio. Restored it. The wheel horse I did not restore. That was the original condition it was in. I restored the Ford. I got the Ford in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It was in bad shape, so we brought it back to life. 1972, and the last one here is another John Deere 1967, and it's in its original condition. It's never been restored. So it's a lot of fun. It's a hobby, more or less, for my granddaughter. We enjoy it. Love going to the tractor shows, and just a lot of fun. Meet a lot of people.